Hi, this is Ray Davis. I'm with Fast Car Decals and got a few tips and tricks for you on the installation of a very popular kit called the Shadow Kit. It's always been a big seller since actually fits the 2013 to the 2018 Chevy Silverado. So I've got a 2018 here that we're installing the Shadow Kit, and I've got one side on, and as you can see, it's a really nice looking kit. Easy to install. In fact, I got the other side not installed. I got it up there. This particular kit is in the matte black in the Avery Supreme Wrap, which is a dry install. So let me take you around. Let me show you in the catalog. This catalog is online. This is the Shadow Kit. That's what we're installing today. So as you can see, I got the kit where I want it. Got it taped up. And that's one of the good things about the Supreme Wrap, the dry install, is you're able to get it up there where you want it. Make some adjustments. Get it where you want it. So basically apply the hinge method, which we'll talk about more in the upcoming videos. But as you can see, I've kind of got everything where I want it. This kit is actually in two pieces. Three, really. You got the rear piece in the back, and you got the section here that runs along, and then you have this section here, which is added on. And when it's all put together, it looks like a solid kit. Wraps around the Silverado, and it's just a really nice. We have all kinds of different strap kits from mild to wild. I call this one kind of in the middle. It's just enough to set it off and make it look nice. Now there's a couple of tips. This is one of them. Get it up where you want, tape the ends, and then apply it. But I wanted to show you a couple of little things that make this installation nice, and that's with the cutting. Very little cutting on this. In fact, I had none other than the doors, and that was what I was wanting to show you. What I like to do on the doors is take my knife, and you can see I bring it in, good sharp blade, and I tilt it, and I kind of have it at an angle, not like this, but here. Make that cut, and what happens is I'm able to open the door and roll that in. Of course, when I did my prepping and my cleaning, I knew I was going to do that, so I cleaned in those door jambs, and that made that nice. I did the same thing here in the back door, but what I did on the bed to get a nice even cut is I took my knife and I squared it up, kind of tilted it down, and I brought it straight down with a nice sharp blade. Made a nice cut, and then I was able to just roll that stripe in there. So that's a couple little things to help make the installation look professional, make it look nice, make it look uniform. So again, I'd like to thank you for watching. Again, this is Ray Davis with Fast Car Decals. Please like this video if you have any questions. We appreciate all the questions we've been receiving, so if you have any questions on the install on this, please let me know, and I'll try to answer them in an upcoming video. But again, this is the Shadow Kit. It's for a 2013 through 2018 current Chevy Silverado, and this is the long crew cab, but the shorter ones you may have to trim off a little bit. So it comes plenty long enough to do those long bed vehicles, but you can always trim it off for a short bed. So again, this is Fast Car Decals. We thank you for watching, and please like us and subscribe to us, and we look forward to showing you more and more installation tips and tricks. Have a great day.